Okay, now we're gonna make a summary. Here's the file that I created already, OIA, Overall Integrated Architecture. Under that, I got the GCG, which is a part file. I inserted directly into OIA. And the other product file, including existing structure, which has further second level of products, and also other such as removal product and the new product, which will contain all the geometries, products information that you design later on. So I will focus on existing structure for the time being. And the trick is, we will make from bottom up, meaning we'll make this product structure first, and then put whole product into existing building, and then after we finish the existing building, and then apply to the constraint to the upper level, which is the OIA. So we'll look at the existing structure first as a demonstration for this exercise. And in order to make it clearer, I will just look at this file solely. So the way we do that is go to the object, and then we can say open a new window. Okay, so this is open a new window, and I will insert first a part, call it as existing structure drive, and this will be the overall drive to the other parts into this product. Okay, and under that I will have number of important geometry and parameters. I'll first make the parameters. One is the building footprint width. Okay, give it 18 meters for now. Apply, and another one is building footprint. Building footprint length. Make it 42 meters. Okay. And I will also have integer, call it bay number y, make it 6, and I will have another one, call it bay number x, and give it 2. Okay, and I will publish all the parameters so that the other parts later I can use it. Oh, this parameter should be in this. Okay. I think that works the same way. I put the parameters under the product, which will be used by all the parts. Similar logic is fine. So I'm using double click the part file. Okay. So inside here I'll make the geometry. Geometry first. This will be all the inputs. Okay. So make a sketch for the building footprint based on XY plane. Snap to the origin point. This dimension, this will be same as length. Click OK. Okay, and the other one will be the width. Double click, right click, edit formula, pick up width. Okay, put that up. That's nice. Okay, so this is the boundary, and I also make Z direction, which is this one. I'm using direction, and direction will be Z. So let's put it up. Okay, we actually missing one more parameter, which is formula the overall height. Yeah, taking length, new parameter, call it overall overall height, make it 12 meters for now. Click apply, and we link this line height to this parameter. All that have to be published. So come back here, pick this one, go to Tools, Publication, click Yes, OK. And now we come back here. Here the line. This is the one that we will link to this. Done. OK. And then we go to, and then we're going to insert some new existing component, insert to structure. The one we have is a beam that I created, a transversal beam. Insert it, and that little red thunder mark means there's some external link missing. Because this is we don't bother about that. This is a new part file. I used that part file before. The way you can clean that up is we can right click and then go to the component. You can say isolate part. Okay. Then we update that. Isolate part. So this is one part, and we'll insert another part. Insert existing component into this structure. This time we'll bring the column. Similarly, we can isolate that part. Okay, so we hide this one for now. We'll just focus on this one first. Okay, and now I'm going to apply constraint. Here's the trick. Once you apply constraint between different parts, make sure that the published geometries will be under the next immediate child file, such as in this file, the drive file. Okay, I need to double click, select it first, and then go to Tools, Publication, and I'll pick the line that I want to publish, this point. Let's move out this part a little bit. Okay, so we move up so we don't mess up. Okay, we'll move that even further away. Okay. So it's really depending on which is the current activate product, that will determine the location of the publication geometries. So again, I come back here, double click, and I go to Tools, Publication. I'll pick this point, okay, and this point. Click OK. So for this one, I'm gonna, constrain this corner point to that point, and also this line, same orientation with this line. Okay. So we have to publish from this product. The way we activate that product, and then we go to Tools, Publication, pick the point. Let's zoom in a little bit. Pick this point, pick this line, click OK. Okay. Notice here the publication, yeah. So in order to foster the understanding of publication location in relation to the activate product, I'll show you. If I activate in this product, okay, and I pick the same geometry, see this edge, yeah, I pick this same geometry. I go to Publication. Now wait a minute. Same geometry. Okay, then I go to Publication. Oh, I've somehow already published. Oh, those are the right. So I'm in this product. Okay, I go to Publication. I pick the same geometry edge. Yeah. So it's added in here. As you can see, this edge is the same as this edge, but I saved in different location, just because before I publish it, I use this as my current product, activated product. Okay, so I just delete, redo and delete. So delete, go to publication, I delete this edge. I don't need this edge on this level. Okay, now I'm ready to constrain between the two parts. So I use coincidence. I pick this point is highlighted, yeah, this point with this point. Okay, and don't update yet because I also need to fix the drive part. So I click fix and I'll pick this drive. So two constraints applied, yeah. And now we click update, because if you don't fix one file, you don't know which part will be moved. Okay. But wait a minute, I think this is wrong. I should apply constraint to the top point. It's okay. So what I need to do is I do it again. Okay. I need to apply this point and that point. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, now it's about angle. Yeah. So about angle, we rotate that a little bit. Okay. Now we apply angle. So angle will be this one. I pick this edge, and I pick the other output. Okay. Let's make it 0. Update. Bingo. So this one constrained perfectly. Okay. Now I will continue to show you how we handle this one. Let's hide the other part. Look at a new part. Okay, so this new part, we will rotate. Let's rotate it a little bit. So any line can be the center. Okay, and we'll make this point to this point. 2 corner points, yeah, this point. Okay, so let's double click, make that as my activated product, and I will go to publication and pick this point. It's already published. Perfect. This line also published. Good. What about this line? So we have published this point, have we? Pick this point, double check, go to publication. It's published already. Perfect. So now I'm ready. Go back to the upper parent, and I use coincident, pick this point, pick this point, and then update. Okay, now it's about angle, right? So I will use angle, this one and this one, make it 180 degree, click OK, update. Perfect. Now something I want to let's say use general parameter to control this width. Yeah, so let's go inside to see what parameters is controlling some of the geometries. I think this is the overall width. That should be the one. That should be the one drive the width. Yes, so we just need to link this one with the outside parameter. This is my global parameter, right? Okay, and as well as this is, let's check. I think this is the height. Oh, no, we don't need that. Height, overall column type. Yes, this control the column height, right? We just need to link this with, again, the outside parameter, which is this height. Now come to the length. So length should be this one, overall length. We link to the global parameter in here, building length. Now it's all link up. So that means if I come out, also I'll hide this one. Okay. So all I need to do is to control this set of parameters. As the global parameters, and that will update everything. Oh, this one not linked yet. It's okay. Let's check. Let's go inside. So what's going on in this case? I got the parameters. Okay. So spacing x. Okay, that is driving. This is driving the beam span, right? So just need to link this parameter. Link this parameter with the global parameter, which is this width divided by 2, right? Click OK. So this is now the 3-part file all linked up. Don't worry, we'll go back top, update. So once you notice this symbol turn to dark, means you need to update in order to get the correct display. Okay, perfect. So let's test a little bit. So if you change this to 22 meter, click OK, update. So everything follows, right? Okay, perfect. We are missing some vertex for some reason. This one is fine, so okay. Why I got okay, that's okay. Good. Perfect. So we finish here for this assembly, and now next we're gonna show how to populate a part file in the assembly.